What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we started the E92 M3, guys, after being dead for an entire month. The reason I have not driven this car because of the wheels. These are the new wheels I bought. Here they are, guys. There's some chrome TE37s. Like you guys can see somewhere in the spokes, there's little hairlines of cracks. And yeah, guys, that's what it's stopping me from driving this freaking beast. Like you guys can see right here, they look freaking beautiful. Look how crazy this wheel looks, guys. I f***ed it up even more, and the entire tire popped out of place out of the wheel, if you guys can see right there. And I freaking smashed right there. Look at that. But it is what it is, guys. I found a person that could fix it for me, but for now we're gonna be riding on some new wheels. I'm not gonna tell you guys what the new wheels are because I want to keep this as a surprise for you guys. Like, I had these wheels as a surprise for you guys, but they're cracked, so I have to make a video explaining what happened to the E92 M3, guys, because a lot of you guys been asking me, yo Goofer, what happened to the E92? Did you sell it? Did you get it impounded? Did you get it taken away? No, guys, the car's right here. It's chilling, literally collecting miles. I'm ranking more miles on the 350Z. That thing is for sale. If you guys want to buy it, hit me up. But other than that, guys, the E92 is here chilling. For now, let's leave it right here. Let's go do a point of view and exhaust review on this car, because that's what I've been wanting to do, guys. An exhaust review on the 350Z. A lot of you guys been asking me, how does this thing sound? How does it look from the bottom? Well, there it is, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. Put you guys on the floor real quick. Sounds like a GTR, kind of. A little baby GTR right here. Looks on camera, bro. Man, and I'm selling this car already too, guys. Just look how clean it looks, bro. I don't want to sell anymore. With the new exhaust setup, it makes the car look even better from the rear. Comment down below what you guys think. Literally, what do you guys think about this car? Alright, boys, well, this is how it sounds on the freeway. It's a little droney, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It sounds a little annoying for some people. I love it. Perfect spot, bro. Look at those rocks right there. We're gonna hop out right now, guys, and go film this beauty. But for right now, I'm gonna give you guys some revs, because that's a lot of you guys been asking for, is a rev little battle on this car. So let me put you guys right here. Let me put you guys right here on the floor, right there. Sounds crazy, bro. It literally pops. If you guys know anybody, or if you guys know how to tune this car, please let me know, guys. And imagine this thing with a flame tune, bro. This thing will look crazy, and it will sound crazy with the flames right on the back and all that crazy shit, bro. But that car, if you guys want it, it's for sale. Look how crazy it looks, bro. I might have to bring the E92 over here too, guys, and we're gonna make another video doing a review on the Valve Master exhaust. A lot of you guys been asking me to do the same exact thing, guys. I know the E92, you guys love it more than this thing right here, But I promise you guys, the 892 will be back very, very soon. And for the meantime, let's just enjoy this car until we sell it. Not the Mismo. What the fuck am I saying, bro? The spot clear? Damn.
A few moments later.
Won't believe who pulled me over right now. You guys won't believe who pulled me over, man. This is crazy. My boy. This is wild, bro. Who knew that one day one of my boys was gonna be pulling me over? That's insane.
Right on, brother. All right, man. I'm not gonna ask you further questions. I'm sure. I remember you were a good dude before.
Appreciate
hey,
you,
man,
bro.
just make sure you take care of that. Right, man? Just be careful. You'll be good.
Appreciate you, bro. Nice seeing you, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. This is crazy, guys. It's literally one of my boys,